Welcome to Rapid Scan with Incident IQ. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps of completing Rapid Scan for collection of devices quickly and effectively. There will be other videos detailing other pieces of Rapid Scan. So let's dive in and get started on making your check-in or check-out experience a breeze. With Rapid Scan, you can be on any Incident IQ screen, but I personally prefer to stay on the dashboard screen for ease of use. To complete a Rapid Scan, you'll need a scanner and at least one device with a barcode. If you have multiple devices, even better. This makes the process quicker and more efficient. Let's get ready to streamline your scanning experience. Grab your scanner and let's start by scanning your first device. You'll see the information pop up on your screen, confirming that the device has been successfully scanned. We're not stopping here. Let's keep the momentum going. Keep scanning those devices one after the other. Stay focused and keep that scanner moving. You've got this. Now that we've scanned all our devices for this round, the fun can really begin with the bulk actions. This is where you can streamline your workflow even further. To access the bulk actions, simply click the box next to the assets you want to manage. This will select all the scanned devices, allowing you to perform bulk actions on them at once. The Move option lets you quickly transfer the selected device to another location. The Change Status option allows you to easily update the status of your devices to either in service or in storage. We're going to focus on the other option because it contains everything we need to process devices quickly and efficiently. The first thing we're going to tackle is creating the work order for broken devices. Click Submit Tickets. Use the drop-down to find your location. The screen will now display all the devices that have been selected for this ticket. This is your overview, so take a moment to review the list and ensure everything looks correct. Next, we need to let the system know what the issue is so that the correct ticket is created. This step is essential for ensuring that the tech team understands the specific problems with each device. Incident IQ will provide a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to submit tickets for these devices. This is a quick confirmation step to ensure everything is in order. Just click Yes to continue, and we'll move forward with submitting those tickets. What's the issue? Just like any other ticket you've submitted for devices, select the specific issue that the device is suffering from. Remember, it's best if all the devices you're submitting have the same issue. This helps streamline the process and makes it easier for the tech team to address everything efficiently. Once you've chosen the issue, we'll be ready to move on and finalize the ticket. Let's keep the flow going. Once you have selected the issue, you'll notice that the screen has changed to reflect the selection you made. This updated view shows you the details related to the issue, ensuring that everything is accurate and clear. Take a moment to review the information and make sure it aligns with what you want to submit. If everything looks good, we can proceed to the next step. Let's keep moving forward. You've reviewed everything, and you're ready to submit. Great job! Now, go ahead and click on Update Assets. This will finalize the process and submit your work order tickets for the selected devices. Click Apply Changes. Incident IQ will notify you that the action is being performed and show you the status as it works. This helps you stay informed about the progress. Once the process is complete, simply click Close to finish up. We're back to where we started, which allows us to assess any fines if needed. If you find that fines are necessary, you can enter the amounts and ensure everything is accurately recorded. Let's take a moment to assess those fines. Click the box next to the asset. Next, click on Other. Then, select Perform Payment and Fee. Finally, click on Create Transaction. Warning! This screen may look a little different for you because you'll have devices that were checked out to students and are now being returned. I don't have that situation on my end, so just keep in mind that your view will reflect those specific devices. Make sure to review the information carefully to ensure everything is accurate as you process the returns. Select Fine from the drop-down. The student name will populate here. The fine amount will populate here. If not, add the fine amount here. If you have anything to document, do so here. Please remember that the notes will be the same for all devices you've selected, so make sure your documentation reflects the general situation for those devices. If you have any images to upload, do so here. Just like with the documentation, please remember that the images will apply to all devices you've selected. Please take a moment to review everything. Once you're satisfied with the information, go ahead and click the Create Transaction button. This will finalize the process and ensure everything is properly recorded. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video helps you become a RapidScan for Collections Pro. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.